Good morning and welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Frida Foster, Chair of the Workers' Compensation Board, and today's full board meeting is being webcast live for the members of the public. Welcome to the public. It is also facilitated by an American Sign Language interpreter, and thank you all for joining us as well. Before we get started, we are very pleased to announce that Quinn Rapp-Ellis has joined us and has been appointed to the board's general counsel effective October 14th. 2025. Quinn previously worked within the board's Office of General Counsel for over 6 years before joining the Executive Chamber as Assistant Secretary for Labor and Workforce, playing a key role in our initiatives, including the recent legislative changes to improve injured workers across access to care as part of Governor Hochul's fiscal year 2026 enacted budget. Quinn first joined the board through the governor's Excelsior Service Fellowship Program, which brings highly talented recent graduates of law, graduate, and professional schools into policy and operational roles in New York State government. Quinn holds a Juris Doctor from New York Law School, a Master of Arts in Forensic Psychology and Law from John Jay College, go CUNY, and a Bachelor of Science from Rensselaer Polytechnical Institute. We extend a sincere thanks to Keith Logden, who has served as acting general counsel for the past 6 very busy months. So thank you, Keith. And with that, please join us in congratulating Quinn on her new role and welcoming her back to the board.
Thank you.
Thank you. I now have the honor of calling the 1047th meeting of the board to order. Madam Secretary, roll call, please.
Vice Chair Delgado.
Here.
Board Member Higgins.
Here.
Board Member Williams. Mike, are we back? Okay, we'll go with Board Member Rodriguez.
Here.
Board Member Caginelli.
Here.
Board Member Delon.
He's here.
He's on mute.
Board Member Delon, just unmute.
His traditional notice said he's here because we could see him.
Yeah, he's.
Okay. Board Member Delon is here. Board Member Perez.
Here.
Board Member Bergen.
Here.
Board Member DeJesus.
Here.
Board Member Matos.
Here.
And Board Member Salini.
Here.
Madam Chair, Board Members Delon and DeJesus will be joining us remotely.
Thank you very much.
I'm here.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
you. Agenda item 1. You've all received a copy of the September 16th, 2025 meeting minutes to review. Are there any questions or need for discussion? All right. Is there a motion to approve?
Yes, Madam Chair, Board Member Mark Higgins, I move that we approve the minutes.
Thank you, Board Member Higgins. Is there a second?
Board Member Maria Matos, I second.
Thank you, Board Member Matos. Any opposition? All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? I'm also a yes. That motion passed. Agenda item 2, we come to the Office of General Counsel. General Counsel Quinn Rapp-Ellis will present the Office of General Counsel's departmental reports for September.
Thank you, Madam Chair, Madam Vice Chair, board members. It's a pleasure to be here. The following are statistics for September 2025 for the 3 divisions in the Office of General Counsel responsible for deciding cases. The Adjudication Division held 16,557 hearings, issued 343 reserved decisions, held 1,321 pre-hearing conferences, and finalized 1,946 favor agreements. The The Administrative Review Division received 926 applications for review and processed 1,097 applications. There are 8,273 applications for administrative review pending. Finally, the Legal Affairs Division received 88 applications for review and processed 77 applications. There are 217 applications for review pending. Thank you.
Thank you, J.C. Raphaelis. Are there any questions or any further? Hearing none, may I have a motion?
Madam Chair, this is Board Member Caginelli, and I make a motion that we approve the general counsel report.
Thank you very much. May I have a second?
Yes, I second that motion, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much. Is there any opposition? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I am also a yes, that motion passes. Next item on the agenda are the license applications. Assistant Attorney Benjamin Jacobs will now present licensing application.
Good morning, Madam Chair, Madam Vice Chair, board members and colleagues. You have before you the recommendations from the assigned board panel regarding the licensing applications listed in Part 3 of today's agenda. Under Section 24A, Alan Quigg, a 3-year renewal. Under Section 53B, Metropolitan Life Insurance Company, qualifying officer Nicholas Corson Esquire, 3-year renewal. I present these recommendations to the board for your consideration. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions or need for discussion? May I have a motion to accept the recommendation of the panelists as presented?
Madam Chair, Board Member Williams, I move that we accept the recommendation.
Thank you, Board Member Williams. May I have a second?
Madam Chair, this is Board Member Caginelli. I second that motion.
Thank you very much. Is there any opposition? Hearing none. All in favor? Any opposed? I
Aye.
am also a yes. That motion is passed. Thank you very much. Next item on the agenda are the legal appeals. G.C. Raphaelis will now present the recommendations concerning decisions by the appellate division.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Since the last board meeting, the appellate divisions or department has issued 9 decisions on cases on appeal from a decision of the board. You can find those decisions in your on your agenda in items 4A through 4I. It is the recommendation of the Office of General Counsel that the decisions be adopted as the decisions of this board.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions?
No.
All right. May I have a motion to accept the recommendations of the Office of General Counsel?
Yes, Madam Chair. I move to accept the recommendations of the Office of General Counsel.
Thank you. May I have a second?
I second this Board Member Perez.
Thank you very much. Any opposition? Hearing none, all in favor? Any
Aye.
opposed? Thank you. I am also a yes, that motion passes. All right, we do not have any mandatory full board items to consider. Therefore, the next item on the agenda, I turn over to Vice Chair Delgado.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the cases listed in item 6 on your agenda, it has been recommended that full board review be granted. Those cases are 6A, G2614298, matter of Buffalo Municipal Housing Authority. 6B, G3438365, matter of Artisan Restoration Co. Inc. I move to refer these cases back to the respective panels for further consideration.
Thank you, Vice Chair Delgado. Is there a second?
Board Member Train, I second that motion.
Thank you very much. Does anyone need to be recused from any of these cases? Thank you. Is there any opposition? All right, hearing none. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed?
Aye.
Thank you. Any opposed? I'm also a yes, that motion is passed. Is there any other business needed to be discussed? No. And on that, may I have a motion to adjourn?
Madam Chair, this is Board Member Caginelli. I make a motion to adjourn.
Thank you. Is there a second?
Madam Chair, Board Member Marie Matos, second.
Thank you. Any opposition? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
I'm also a yes. The meeting is adjourned. Thank you.
Thank you.